Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with your reels if your captions aren't syncing. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do guys is to go ahead and open up the official Instagram application so that we can get started posting reels. So guys, if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go to the App Store. From there, you're going to search for Instagram, find the application itself, and download it. By downloading it, you can go ahead and log into your account that you want to post the reels from. And once you have opened it up, it's going to look by the main page that you all know. And then you're going to click the plus button. By clicking the plus button, it's going to take us to this main page right here, from where we can get started selecting the reel we want to upload. So now let's get started with uploading our reels. So by clicking on the reels right here, we can click the next button. This is going to take us to this page right here, where as you can see we can get started with editing our reel. And what we want to make sure we are using is the CC button. This is going to enable us to sync our captions. So as you can see right here at the bottom of the page, we can scroll to the right to find this option that says CC. This is going to enable you to transcribe your audio, and by transcribing your audio, it's going to go ahead and give you a synced version of the audio being transcribed and put it into text captions right here. So by updating your captions this way, this is going to sync it in time with your video, and you're going to be having no problems. If you use any manual version for getting your captions in or something similar, that might cause problems, so you want to use this one right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.